Welcome to Block 7. In this episode, we're taking a closer look at an iconic and innovative home located in Venice Beach, California, the Oxford Triangle House. Designed by M Royce Architecture, this house stands out amidst the local architecture dominated by craftsman bungalows and mid-century homes. Despite its international design influences, this house retains its identity as a true Venice Beach residence. Oxford Triangle House is situated along a historic electric streetcar line that was active from 1905 to the mid-1950s. Located on Oxford Avenue, near the bustling Abbot Kinney Boulevard, the house honors the area's rich history while introducing a fresh, modern design perspective. The blend of past and present is evident in the way the house interacts with its surroundings, making it a striking architectural addition to the neighborhood. The house is primarily built from industrial materials such as board-formed concrete, large glass panes, and raw copper, which will naturally patinate over time. These rough, unfinished materials give the building an organic, honest character that stands in contrast to the more polished and ornamental homes in the area. Oxford Triangle House offers a bold, contemporary twist while staying respectful to its historical context. A major source of inspiration for the design came from the architect's travels to Iran in 2013. In the city of Kashan, the architect was fascinated by the grand villas with impressive basements, where snow would be stored during winter to keep rooms cool even in the summer. These homes also featured sunken courtyards with water elements that cooled the breezes. This concept was then adapted for this home, creating a below-ground space that draws in natural light and captures the cooling ocean breezes from Venice Beach. At the front of the house, a gap was created between the public sidewalk and the building, allowing natural light to flow down into the basement. The ground floor, which houses the living room and kitchen, is set about 3 feet below ground level and surrounded by tall, lush greenery. This creates a natural privacy screen despite the house being bordered by streets on 3 sides. An infinity pool runs along the front of the house, perfectly level with the floor, and its water cascades down to the basement below, establishing a serene, poetic connection between the home's 2 levels. The home's design also emphasizes a seamless blend between architecture and nature. The main staircase features steel railings that have been left to rust naturally, creating a weathered, organic patina. In the main bathroom, The smoky plaster walls are similarly textured, blending with the exterior's concrete and copper, which were also left to age and evolve naturally over time. These design details give the house a sense of continuity with its environment. At the rear of the property is a guesthouse, designed to resemble a piece of driftwood. The wood used to form the concrete for the main house was repurposed for this structure, maintaining a sense of sustainability and cohesion in the design. The guesthouse, made from wood and steel, features a hydraulic airplane hangar door that brings the outdoors in, continuing the home's open, airy concept. Both the main house and guesthouse stand as sculptural forms embedded within a lush garden, harmoniously tied to the surrounding landscape. The Oxford Triangle house spans 4,500 square feet and was designed with maximum efficiency in mind, utilizing every inch of the tight triangular plot. Above ground, the house occupies its full footprint, while underground, the spaces were designed to draw in natural light and airflow, optimizing the coastal climate of Venice Beach. This design approach demonstrates how space can be used innovatively even in densely packed urban areas. Oxford Triangle House is more than just a home. It's a work of architecture that blends history, innovation, and harmony with nature. Every element of the design, from the sunken courtyard to the weathered materials, offers inspiration for anyone looking to create a home that's both modern and connected to its surroundings. With its bold vision and thoughtful integration of space, this house serves as a model for contemporary living. Thank you for joining us on Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more architectural inspiration and house tours. See you in the next video.